Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
So, what exactly is Bitcoin mining? Well, at its core, it's the process that brings new Bitcoins into existence, much like a digital gold rush in the modern world. But it's also absolutely crucial for confirming and adding new transactions to the blockchain, making sure everything is secure and trustworthy for everyone involved. Without miners, the Bitcoin network simply wouldn't function. It truly is the essential backbone of the entire system. The term mining might sound a bit old-fashioned, but it's actually a great analogy to understand the process. Just like traditional gold miners dig for precious metals, Bitcoin miners use powerful computers to dig for new Bitcoins. They're all competing, trying to be the first to solve a complex mathematical puzzle. When they succeed, they earn a reward, which is newly minted Bitcoin, along with transaction fees. So, what kind of puzzles are we talking about here? Bitcoin miners use specialized, high-powered computers to rapidly guess a very specific numerical value. It's like trying to win a lottery, where you must guess an incredibly long number, performing millions of attempts per second. The first computer to find the correct answer wins the right to add the next block of transactions. This challenging process is what ultimately secures the entire network. It's not just about earning new Bitcoin, though. Once a miner solves that puzzle, they get to verify a block of recent Bitcoin transactions. They essentially confirm that these transactions are legitimate and then add them to the blockchain, which is Bitcoin's public ledger. This verification step is vital for preventing fraud and ensuring the integrity of the entire system. So, why does Bitcoin mining matter? First, it's how new Bitcoins are introduced into circulation, ensuring a controlled and predictable supply into the market. Second, and perhaps most importantly, mining secures the entire Bitcoin network. It makes it incredibly difficult for anyone to tamper with transactions or try to double-spend Bitcoins, keeping the system robust and trustworthy for all its users around the world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.